Hello and welcome everyone to today's Lead Code Challenge. And this is problem of the day on 26 June, named as Game with String. This problem states that we have given a string S consisting of lower case alphabets and an integer k, and your task is to find the minimum possible value of the string after removing exactly k characters. The value of the string is defined as the sum of the squares of frequencies of each characters present in the string. So let us look at the example number first. We have S equals to A, B, B, C, 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 and K equals to 2. In this we have to remove K characters from this S such that the sum of the squares of frequencies of each numbers can be minimized. So let us first initially look at what will be the sum of the frequencies of squares of each number will be. This A occurring 1 times, and this B occurring 2 times, and this C occurring 3 times. We have to remove at most k characters such that the frequencies can be minimized for each letter. So let us suppose we delete one of the B and the one of the C. So the frequencies of the remaining characters will be 1, this B is 1, and this C is 2. And let us suppose if we delete this 2 times C, so the remaining frequencies will be 1, 2, and 1. And let us suppose if we try to delete the frequencies of 1 and one of these C and B, let us suppose we delete this A and B, and this time the frequencies will be 1 and 3, and this will not be a favorable case to delete characters A and B, because of the fact that we have to minimize the sum of squares of frequencies of each distinct character present in the string. So from this arrangement we can see that we have to delete the characters that have the largest or the maximum frequencies present. We have to delete those k characters from our string such that the sum of squares of the frequencies of each distinct character will be minimized. So what will be the approach to solve this problem? First we have to count the frequencies of each character present in the string, and after that we can put those frequencies inside a maximum heap such that the top of the maximum heap contains frequency that is most amongst all these, and then we can just delete the k most occurring frequencies, or the k frequencies from our maximum heap such that the sum will be minimized. So let us first look at the explanation for this. First we can create a frequency array of size 26. Let us initialize the frequency array so that it has 0 frequencies initially. Then we can iterate over this S and find out what will be the frequency of each character present in this. And in this case, if we iterate over our S, we can find out that this A is occurring 1 time, this B is occurring 2 times, and this C is occurring 3 times. And then we can create a priority queue that is a max heap. So let us suppose this is a priority queue, and we start iterating over this array and push the non-zero frequencies inside our priority queue, and the top will contains the highest priority or the highest frequency amongst all these character frequencies. So this will contains like that 3, 2 and 1. The structure of priority queue will be like this. Now after doing this, we can iterate over this priority queue over k times. So iterate over this priority queue until k gets 0, and this time k is 2, so decrease this k from 2 to 1. Now what is our top? Our top is this 3, so we have to pop out this. So pop out this, and we have to decrement the value by 1. So top is now 2, and then again push that inside our priority queue, and if we try to push this 2 inside our priority queue, this will get a tie from this 2 and 2. So any of this 2 can be placed up above. So let us suppose this will be placed above. Again check if it k will 0 or not. Now k is 1, so k is now 0, and we have to pop out our top element, that is this 2, and make it as 1, and again push that inside our priority queue. So this will be like 2, 1 and 1, and finally after doing this we can initialize our answer from 0 and iterate over this priority queue. Let us first erase this. Priority queue is like this: 2, 1 and 1. Answer is 0. Let us iterate over this priority queue until it gets empty. Pop out our current element, that is this 2, and add the square of the topmost element inside in our answer. That means this 2 into 2, and answer is this 2 into 2, that is answer is now 4. Again pop out this and add that inside our answer. Answer will now 4 plus 1 into 1, that means 1. So answer is now 5, and again pop out this, and after doing this will be 5 plus 1 into 1, so that will be 6. So answer is now 6, and as we can see that 6 will be the minimum possible sum of frequencies of each distinct character. So we have to return 6 in this case. So basically this will be our brute force approach to solve this problem, and I guess this will pass all the test cases. And as we can see that 6 is the only minimum sum possible here, so we have to return 6. So now let us code this. First we have to initialize our vector, a frequency array of size 26, iterate over our string, find out the frequencies of each character in our S, initialize a priority queue, or basically this will be a max priority queue, maximum heap. Let us name this as PQ. Iterate over our frequency array. If frequency of I is equals to 0, that means the corresponding character is not present, so let us do nothing in this case. Otherwise push frequency of I inside our priority queue. Now iterate over priority queue and k times, pop out the topmost element from our priority queue. Like this. Decrement the top element and then again push that inside our priority queue. Move on priority queue until priority queue gets empty. Extract our topmost element from the priority queue. Pop out that from priority queue and add the square of that topmost element into our answer. After doing all this, we have to just return our answer, and let us try to compile and run this and check if it is running fine or not. It is running fine, so let us submit this and check if it does pass all the test cases. So it passes all the test cases, and it will increase our current streak from 112 to 113 now. So thank you so much guys, and do like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you clearly understand the concept behind this problem. Thank you.